In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images in Elementor. If you've ever dropped an image into your design and thought it looked too big, too small, or just didn't scale the way you expected, this walkthrough will help you dial it in with confidence. We'll keep it simple and focus on the key controls so you get predictable, clean results. Start by clicking the image widget inside your Elementor editor. When the widget is selected, the left-hand panel shows all of its controls. To resize it visually, switch to the Style tab. This is where Elementor puts the appearance controls that affect how the image is displayed on the page. Look for the width control. You can drag the slider or type an exact value. If you want the image to adapt to different screen sizes, a percentage is a great choice. For example, 50% makes the image take up half the width of its container, no matter the device. If you need a fixed size that stays the same across desktops and phones, use pixels like 300px. Elementor keeps your image's aspect ratio intact, so changing the width won't squash or stretch it. Right below, you'll often see max width. Think of this as a safety limit that caps how large the image is allowed to grow. It's especially useful when you set width to a percentage. For instance, you might set width to 100% so the image can fill the container, then set a max width like 600px so it never gets larger than that on wide screens. This gives you a flexible design that still looks refined on big monitors. You can also choose an image size from the dropdown, such as thumbnail, medium, large, or full. This doesn't just change how it looks, it selects which version of the file is loaded. Picking a size close to the actual display width keeps your pages fast and crisp. If the image is only shown around 400 to 600 pixels wide, medium or large is typically better than full. Use full only when you truly need the original resolution to display at a large size. As you work, notice how width controls the display dimension, max width keeps it from growing too large, and image size chooses the source file that's delivered to the browser. Combine these thoughtfully for images that scale smoothly, look sharp, and load efficiently. That's it. Clean, responsive image sizing in Elementor without guesswork. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.